The Big Ten 2022 recruiting rankings saw a mighty big change over the weekend. While traditional powers such as Ohio State, Penn State, and Michigan loomed at the top, Rutgers moved into the number 2 slot with their latest commitment. 4-star quarterback Gavin Wimsatt, the number 3 dual-threat quarterback prospect in the class, and the number 89 overall prospect committed to Greg Schiano and the Scarlet Knights to propel Rutgers up to the second-best class in the conference and the number 6 overall 2022 class in the entire country. Wimsatt is also the 7th highest rated recruit in Rutgers history, according to the 247Sports composite. For comparison, Rutgers was number 41 overall in the country in the class of 2021. It's still early, but the Scarlet Knights are raking in the big boys during Schiano's second go-round as head coach of New Jersey State University. With Wimsatt's commitment, Rutgers now has 4 4-star prospects in their recruiting class. That's tied for most in the Big Ten with Ohio State. They have yet to land a 5-star, but only Ohio State with 4 and Penn State with 1 are the only schools in the conference with recruits ranked that high. Moving forward, Rutgers will try to build off a 3-6 campaign in Schiano's first season back at the helm. If the improvements on the field and in the recruiting department are any indication, Rutgers might just find their way to bowl consideration in 2021 as the surprise in the Big Ten. With your 247 Sports Big Ten update, I'm Nick Kosko.